What's up, guys? It's George, and in this video I want to share why being a loan signing agent is one of the best ways to supplement your income. So in short, real quickly, what a loan signing agent is, it's basically a notary that notarizes real estate related closing documents. So there are lots of different types of closings, whether it's from someone when it is buying a home or selling a home or refinancing their current home or an investment property or doing a reverse mortgage. Anytime there's any kind of closing like that, the borrower or the signer, the seller, is going to have to sign a stack of documents that can be anywhere from just a couple of pages up to, like 200 pages. And so basically what a loan signing agent is a notary that is witnessing the person sign the documents, and you'll be notarizing various different documents throughout the closing package. And so title companies and escrow companies and signing companies will pay notaries anywhere from $100 to $200 to complete these closings for them, because a lot of times the companies are not local, either they're out of state or maybe they're just really busy, and it'd be a lot more efficient for them to hire a notary that is convenient to the borrower, that can just go to their home and just knock out the closing with them. And based on my experience, I've been a loan signing agent for 13 years. You can knock out a closing in anywhere from 15 minutes up to an hour. Usually average is about a half an hour or so, the average closing. And it's a great way to make a quick $150. So, on this channel, I've done quite a few videos about my notary business and how to make money as a notary. And being a loan signing agent is one of the most, lucrative ways to make money with your notary business. So, for those of you that have become a notary or are interested in becoming a notary, then you definitely have to become a loan signing agent, learn about becoming a loan signing agent, because, if not, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. And so why is being a loan signing agent one of the best ways to supplement your income? Well, I know a lot of you may already be working full-time jobs. Maybe you're working 9-to-5 jobs. Like when I first started, I already had a job. But the thing is, the reason why this is great to supplement your income, even if you're working a job, is because most of the people that you're going to be meeting with to do closings, guess what? They have jobs as well. They if they're borrowing money and they're getting a loan, then they have a job, obviously, and so they're most likely going to be working a 9-to-5 job, and so that means that you're going to have to go to them on mornings and evenings, or on their lunch break, or on weekends. And so I do a ton of these closings on the evenings, and you can quickly bust out a couple of closings in an evening and make a quick $500 real quick. Like today, I've made over $500 doing closings, and so it's awesome in that regard. So you can still be working a full-time job, and you can pick and choose which assignments you want to do. These closing opportunities will get presented to you. They'll say, hey, can you do this closing next Tuesday at 7 p.m. in this city? And you can either say yes or no, accept it or decline it. And so you can, just choose the appointments that work best with your schedule. And so think about this. Think about, even if you just do just 2 closings a week, that's an extra $1,200 a month that you could make with just working 2 hours a week. Like I said, the average closing takes about 30 minutes, so and then a little bit of driving, so an hour closing, give or take a few minutes or whatever, 2 hours a week, 8 hours. Imagine just working an extra 8 hours a week and making 8 hours a month and earning an extra $1,200 a month. That's awesome. To make that kind of money that quickly, and you can obviously make a lot more. As you guys know, in previous videos, I've had many days where I've made over $1,000 in a day as a loan signing agent with my notary business. So I highly recommend, if you're looking for a way to supplement your income, to consider becoming a loan signing agent. And I will put a link to the course that I give my highest recommendation to, the course that I took. It's the loan signing system. I'll have a link in the description. And in this course, you will learn everything from start to finish, and how to become a notary, how to pass the test, which is really easy, how to get registered with title companies and signing companies so that you can start getting calls from them. I mean, there are people who within the first month already made over $1,000 just by applying the principles taught in this course. And so you'll learn, A to Z of everything, and how to become a six-figure income earner within your notary business, completing loan signings. So if you have any questions or anything, leave a comment below. And until next time, have a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.